Hi there. I hope you're having a great day. Today, I'm going to show you how to archive or delete a student's records. The main difference is that if you are archiving a student's record, you will leave intact all their assignments on the calendar, and you'll be able to pull them back up so that you can add them to other classes in the future or access their previous records. When you delete a student, you delete not just them, but all their records, transcripts, report cards, records of classes, and grades. To do either of these activities, you're going to first go to the student's name that you would like to archive or delete and choose to edit. You'll see that next to their name, there's a small red X. You can also notice that this student's name is italicized. That means that his records have been archived because in this case, Matthew has already graduated from high school. With Parker, I'm going to be removing him first by archiving him. So I'm going to select the red X and I'm going to decide to archive. Now I can see him. You'll note he is also italicized if I go back in the records and look at his grades, but he doesn't come up actively on my calendar. Now, to undo archiving is very simple. You just go to that student and choose undo. If instead I would like to delete him, you select the red X and now choose remove all data. He is done. You can immediately undo it, but once you hit save, that ability is gone. So you see the red X, I am going to hit save and close, and now all his records are gone. And so when I go in again to look at the list, he no longer exists as if he was ever a student. I hope that helps. Reach out if you have any questions and have a great day.